Land Rover launched its first Range Rover Sport in 2006, and over the years, it has gotten better. So when I see this, I'm thinking comfort, elegance, luxury. Those are just a few words that comes to mind when you see the stunning 2018 Range Rover Sport SE by Land Rover. That Firenze red metallic paint is complemented by those premium glossy black 22-inch Luxani wheels, wrapped in brand new Goodyear Eagle Touring tires. It gets even better inside. It has this beautiful semi-aniline black leather interior. It has 3 different high-resolution screens, a 12.3-inch interactive TFT driver display instrument cluster that can easily be customized with a few buttons on the steering wheel. You also get a 10-inch in-control Touch Pro infotainment system with 4G Wi-Fi. And below that, you get another screen where you can change the ride modes and the climate control. It's got sand program mode for whenever you happen to be in a desert somewhere in the Middle East and you wanted to have some fun. You have mud ruts program for off-road and mudding activities. You have grass, grave, snow program to accommodate for those rough conditions. You also have comfort for a more relaxed ride. And lastly, eco if you wanted to save a little bit of gas. Another cool feature with these 2 sensors back here, when I go like this, look at that. You know what? I want to stop it. I think it's pretty cool. So if you're too lazy to push these buttons over here, you can just do like this in the sensor, and that closes. That closes. Another luxury feature you won't find in most competitors is this cool little refrigerator here. I'm not sure what you can fit in there, but it's there. Maybe a cup of orange juice or something. Now that we've seen all the luxury features, let's see what's under the hood, and we'll go for a spin to see how this thing rides. By the way, this vehicle is available for sale. I'll leave the link in the description below so you can get more info on where to find it. Sports mode, let's go. So this is the 2018 Land Rover Range Rover Sport, the SE model. It's a supercharged. So it has all the power. It has a red exterior. You got this nice black interior. And you have beautiful displays on both the dash, the infotainment system, and you have another screen down here. So you have 3 different screens. This is a TFT screen. You have that going on over here as well. That's not touchscreen, but this is touchscreen. And this is also touchscreen, which is pretty nice and smooth. Anytime you step on the gas, this thing just growls. For a heavy car, it moves. I'm not even in sports. I'm just driving it regular. It's in comfort mode. So this is supposed to be one of the more luxury feel of the drive, and it picks up. You heard the whining of me just stepping on the gas, and I didn't really push the gas that much. So this thing is pretty solid. I like the buttons over here. They change. Look at this. When I push menu, it goes to. So it's pretty cool. Got a few buttons over here. You have a call button, you have your talk button, your command button. I don't know what this is, but let me see. Push it. Okay, it's the media. It controls that. You have lane assist. You have heated steering wheel, and you also have your cruise control button. So if you notice, you have a navigation screen also on the dash ahead of you. And if I wanted to use that on the infotainment system as well, I think I should have the option to do so as well. So I have two screens. You know, if I wanted to look straight ahead, I don't want to look at this one, I can look at that. If I wanted to look at this, I can also look at that. So it's pretty cool. And the screen is pretty clear, by the way. This is like next level, you know, screen. This is almost the same thing we get on like the iPhone or something. That kind of quality on that screen. So I want to get away from the streets. It's pretty crowded. We're gonna go on the highway, so I'm gonna open it up. You know, that's what I usually like to do. I like to open up the cars, because it's always, you know, there's no point in driving a car and just talking if you can't hear what the car is supposed to do. It has the supercharged engine in there. It's a supercharged, so I want to hear that supercharged whining. I like, you know, I'm a gearhead. I like to hear all that stuff. That's what gets me excited about cars. So we're gonna get a chance to go on the highway and open this thing up. Open it up. So this thing is getting about 12.9 miles per gallon, because I'm in the street. I'm local, so I'm not on the highway, so it's pretty bad on gas. That's one thing I'm gonna say. But if you're getting something like this, you already expect that. It's an SUV. This is a gas guzzler. It's gonna drink a lot of gas. But it should get better once you start driving on the highway. I think it should be getting around 17 miles to like 17 to 20 on the highway. That's what the number is. But it's at 12.7 miles per gallon right now, which is pretty terrible. I like this screensaver that they got going on. So every now and then, if you don't touch the screen, it's gonna pop up this nice screensaver. It's basically just showing you the car, you know, with the cool license plate in the front, which is pretty cool. That is actually the color of the car. That's the color of the car, so that's pretty cool. You're showing you your car, what it looks like, and with this nice motion blur going on in the background. That's pretty cool. It's in sports. Let's go. Is all there. Ooh, the steering wheel is so warm because I got this button on. That button, that's for heated steering wheel. So the steering wheel is pretty warm right now. It's pretty cool. Comes in handy when it's winter out there and it's brick. So you want to have your hands warm. Just push that button. We have a lane assist button over here as well. Lane assist. It's gonna stay in lane. Let me know what you guys think about this Range Rover Sports in the comment section. Also, if you would like to inquire more about purchasing this vehicle, click the link in the description below. Make sure y'all smash that like button for me too, all right? I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.